Denji is definitely gonna remember this. I mean, everyone's gonna remember this. Oh damn! She actually let him grab her tits. Oh shit! What's up, you guys? Your boy Pereira Senpai here, and today I'm going to be reacting to Chainsaw Man episode 5. On the last episode, they left us blue-balled the whole time, expecting that Denji is finally going to get a scoop or a clutch of a grab of our girl Power. And Mappa, they did justice with the animation with the boob grabbing. Like, ooh, I hope Denji grabs the tits in this episode. I hope nothing bad happens. No one fucks us over. But with how this anime is going, I just feel like a sense of betrayal in just this anime itself. With that said, if you guys happen to enjoy my reaction on today's episode, hit that like button, and if you guys want to see more reaction on the 6th episode, hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't already. But that's pretty much all I gotta talk about. Let's hop on to today's episode. Hey, yeah, okay, we're back in the scene of the bathroom. Denji, grab those tits. Oh wait, he only has 3 squeezes, right? Oh fuck, that's gonna be hard. How's he gonna do it? I mean, this is his first time grabbing it, right? Oh, he's gonna double. Yes, let's go. Let's go. He's feeling them, bro. Wait, whoa, what? We've been lied to. No, what the heck? Power, how could you? So wait, so Power doesn't have that big of tits? My disappointment is immeasurable. Got 2 more. Oh wait, so those 2 grabbing tits was actually 1 squeeze? Nice, his 2nd squeeze. Okay, he actually touched them for real this time. Last rub, make it count. Make it count, my boy. Damn it, that was enough. He doesn't have to be a devil hunter anymore. Power is one sly cat, that's all I gotta say. My boy's dreams has been complete, but was that really it? Yeah, no, I would understand my boy would be disappointed. Alright, is our boy Denji gonna resign as a devil hunter? I mean, after his dream has been complete of touching some good tits? I guess my boy Denji wasn't satisfied, I guess. Dude, my guy is like straight up brain dead. Oh, looks like Makima is making him sign some things, but he's like brain dead. Hopefully Makima is able to help him with something, like resolve his thing that's happening right now. Okay, it looks like Denji is able to tell her what happened. Oh, what the heck? Wait, what? Wait, don't tell me. Is he touching her tits? Oh wait, he's not touching her tits. Oh, damn. Okay, yo. That is so smooth. That hand holding. Holy crap. That is very smooth. Oh, damn. She's letting him grab her ears? What? Wait, did anyone bite your fingers before? Ooh. Denji is definitely gonna remember this. I mean, everyone's gonna remember this. Damn, man. She's letting him have his first time with her. All the things. Oh damn, she actually let him grab her tits? Oh shit. Oh damn, I guess that was just too much for my boy Denji. My boy's gonna have a heart attack. I mean, my boy is gonna be just straight up loyal to her the whole time now. Straight up, like, there's no denying that our boy Denji, he's just gonna be with her the whole time. Gun Devil. Wait, she wants him to go against Devil that's been alive for the 13 years. Would he be able to take it out? You kill Gun Devil, I'll grant you a wish. Damn, I wonder what his wish is gonna be. Anything? I mean, sounds like anything, honestly. Anything, Denji. Whatever your heart desires. Wait, that looks like Aki. Wait, maybe that's Aki. Yeah, wait, that's Aki. Wait, so Aki had a brother? Well, now that we know what happened to his family, this isn't gonna be surprising. Yeah, I'm actually kind of curious on how Aki's family got killed. Like, what kind of devil was it? Man, Aki is not a good brother. I mean, it looks like to me. Yo, I kind of vibe with the music that's playing in the background. Very chill. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. This is bad. I can already tell this is when it happens, when his family gets killed. What the fuck? He killed 1.2 million people. What the shit? Yo, wait, there's no way that Denji is gonna be able to kill Gun Devil, bro. He way too strong. Oh, so the only way that he was able to be that strong was by people talking about guns, I guess? I like Denji's confidence. Yeah, how do you frack a devil? Oh, so a devil gets stronger when they eat a piece of the gun devil. Oh. Wait, isn't that Mino? Mino? Is that her name, right? Okay, it looks like Aki, that's his revenge. He wants to find the gun devil as well. 6 members. Oh, hey, it's her! Okay, so 6 people are gonna be doing this attack of this gun devil. Oh, wait, so they're gonna be looking for a devil that either ate a piece of the gun devil or the gun devil itself. Oh, it looks like this guy has trust issues with devils as well. I love how they're staring at him. You know, any reaction that we get from that girl is just a plus for me. It's just a plus, automatically plus. Okay, kiss him in the cheeks. All right. Oh, yo, this guy's hype as hell. he gets the idea. My boy Danji and everybody else, they're looking for something, a reward. What? What? Oh, well, okay, yeah, that actually makes sense. He already has motivation. I don't even know your name, of course. I'm not interested. He just said a French kiss. Now that is something that Danji cannot negotiate. Oh, dude, I bet this guy's straight up jealous. Such a devil himself, bro. Such a devil. Yeah, it looks like these 2 guys are being competitive. Ooh, Kenobi's not brave, but she's strong. Ooh, I want to see her in action, bro. Oh, after a year, they either die or quit. Oh, that's oof. I mean, damn, dude. All right, man, I better be prepared for my heart because I'm pretty sure a lot of characters are going to be dying in this anime, so I better be ready. Oh, so this is how Aki and Himino met. Kind of sad how he just meets Aki right after, I guess, her other teammate died. 6 teammate. Fuck. It's coming. Wait, where? In front of us? What the fuck? Wait, that's it? Are they really scared of that? Oh yeah, I mean, he is a bit freaky. Oh, I knew it! He was gonna go for her! Oh. Oh, that was easy? Fuck. Oh, wait, so that's her ability. I signed a contract with Ghost Devil. Oh, to her right eye, I can control its right hand. Oh, that's dope! Oh, wait, oh shit, that wasn't the devil that consumed the bullet. Shit. Wait, what if I kill this guy? Oh, okay, so we actually see the ghost's arm when she like uses it. That's cool. Oh, and she can't grab it? Yo, that's actually a pretty badass ability. Wait, what the fuck? Didn't they just pass? Wait a minute. Don't tell me they're in a loophole. Oh, fuck. Wait, he just came back down from going down? Huh? Yeah, that's what I want to say. Yo, this is kind of freaky. I like it. I love her reaction, bro. Time to review today's episode. So I'm happy that nothing got in the way for our boy Denji when he was like groping the feels of our girl Power. But damn, did it suck that his first squeeze was technically a fake one. But hey, boobs are boobs. So for getting that second squeeze and that third squeeze, it felt too fast, you know? Like, we could all see in Denji's face, like, that was just too fast and he wasn't satisfied yet. Like, after all that shit he went through, like, that was not enough for him. But getting to see that Makima was there to like hear him out on what was going on in his situation, and then seeing Makima like deal the situation for our boy Denji, telling her like it's a better understanding when you know the person, I guess. And she was like giving Denji like all the first times of his, like letting her like bite his finger and touching her ear, touching her lips, I mean even her boobs. I was not expecting that, like legit. I was not expecting Makima like letting him to do those things to her right there on the spot. But there's this thing that's telling me in my head that like stay away from Makima. Makima is a bad person, I feel like. I mean, by the way that they're showing the emotions of Makima, I feel like something's up. Like it seems hard to make or to like show Makima that like to impress her, you know? But hey, it looks like Denji is willing to do anything for Makima from here on out, like anything. After all, Makima did say that if he's able to defeat the gun devil, she is willing to do any wish that he has. But that's because the devil gun is like very powerful. And just seeing how Aki's family got killed was just whoa, like just fucking snap just like that. And after seeing like a somewhat wholesome scene of him and his brother, like fuck dude. With that said, we get to see the 6 members: Power, Aki, Denji, Kobeni, Himino, and Arari. I think that's how you say his name. It looks like Arari has somewhat feelings for Himino, because when Himino was like announcing a reward, it looked like he was getting excited. But Denji, you know how he is. He knows, he sees a bigger picture ahead of him. And with that, he was able to negotiate to get a French kiss from Himino if he's able to defeat the monster or the devil himself. And I know I shouldn't be like praising Kobeni this much because we just get just a bit of scenes with her, but still it just rocks my knockers off. Like she is perfect, bro. Like I don't know what's wrong with me, bro. Like I mean, yeah, there's Power, there's Makima, but fuck those two, man, dude. I'm all about Kobeni. Fuck, man, I keep getting her name wrong. It's just really hard to say and remember right now. But I do like Himino's devil power. Seeing how she could like use a ghost arm but only to sacrifice her eye to be able to have the ability to see it and use it. I gotta say it's pretty gnarly because even the opponent like she's against won't be able to like grab the ghost arm at all. But I still gotta say I like Aki's power. Aki's power is still fucking lit though. But getting that quick flashback of Himino and how she met Aki during that situation of her seeing a bunch of her, you know, teammates died in the past, it really just sets the emotion on like what level that Himino is prepared for anything in any situation, for what's gonna happen to these other members and if it ever happens to them. And from Aki's perspective, saying that like these people will either quit or die within a year, that just shows that like these people as devil hunters, they don't really have that long of lifespan. So far this anime has been very great. I've been enjoying it like without any spoilers. Luckily I'm happy that there's been no spoilers, and I mean, I'm hoping you guys don't spoil me, because if you guys do, well, I'm just gonna have to ban you guys. But I think I talked long enough about this review. With that said, if you guys happen to enjoy my reaction on today's episode, hit that like button. If you guys want to see my reaction on the 6th episode, hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't already. But that's pretty much all I gotta talk about. It's been your boy Senpai, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.